learn about some Japanese phrase together. And at the same time, we will also learn some example with the phrase to make more understand. And as you see here, we have the first phrase like this. Moto mo ko mo nai. Moto mo ko mo nai is mean coming to nothing. This phrase is mean that if you do something too hard or you do something too much, and in the end you get nothing. You have the meaning like this. So if you do everything but you do too much, too hard, and in the end maybe you get nothing. So in Japanese they use the phrase like moto mo ko mo nai, which means coming to nothing. So everything you do, everything you try to do, you should think fully. And here we have a sample like this. 無理して体調を悪くしたら元も子もないですよ。無理して体調を悪くしたら元も子もないですよ。Which means, if you push yourself too hard and make your health worse, then you will get nothing. If you push yourself too hard and make your health worse, then you will get nothing. In this sentence, you see that it says 無理して体調を悪くしたら。体調 is mean your feeling, right? It mean your health. So if you don't care anything, you just work only. So in the case like that, you don't break, so your health will be worse. So in the case like this, in the end, maybe you will get nothing. So in Japanese, they use the phrase like moto mo ko mo nai desu yo, which means you will get nothing in the end.